Hi guys, Justin here from Social Interactions IT Management. I've got a computer here, a laptop, an ASUS laptop. It's about 4 years old now, and we've just bought it in. The customer says it's running a little bit slow, so we're just going to turn it on, see how long it takes to get to the point where we can actually, say, open a Chrome browser or an app or whatever it may be. So we're into the operating system now. And see that it took a little while to get into the operating system. Okay. Now we've opened Chrome and we're just waiting for it to open. The app itself is showing as open, but it's taking quite a while for us to be able to click on anything or for the app to be responsive. So there we go now. So now we can go to an app or a website. So what's the point of all this? Well, the reason the customer sent it in was because it is running slow. So what we've recommended is we're going to upgrade the memory on the computer. At the moment it's got 4 gig. We're going to put another 8 in there. And we're also going to swap over the drive, the current drive, for an SSD drive. So I'm going to pause the video here and we're going to come back when I've fitted the new SSD and the new RAM, and we'll see what the difference is. Okay, we're back. We've installed 8 extra gig of memory in the laptop and we've upgraded the hard drive to an SSD. So let's have a look now at the difference in the time it takes for this computer to be turned on and ready to use compared to prior to the upgrades. So this computer is completely switched off. It's not asleep, it's not in standby mode, it's completely switched off. So we're powering up straight from a completely switched off state. Wow, what a difference. Okay, and let's open Chrome. And Chrome is ready to use, it's ready to go. So what a difference the upgrade to RAM and the change to an SSD made. You can see that rather than having to go out and buy a new computer, we can do an update on it, we can do an upgrade on it, and we can have it running, as fast as you would want any computer to be running for everyday home use, homework use, word processing, Excel spreadsheets, things like that.